Hey! Welcome to How's It channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to create a Gmail account 2018. Let's go! Open a web browser and go to google.com. Click on Sign in the top right corner. Click on Use another account and then click on Create account. Enter your first and last names. Create a username. Enter a password and confirm it. Click on Next. Add additional information. Enter your phone number, recovery email address, it is optional, birth date, and gender. Click on Next. Verify your phone number. Click on Send. You will receive a text message with a verification code from Google. Enter it and click on Verify. Google will offer you more services for your mobile phone. You can click on Skip or Yes, I'm in. Read Privacy and Terms Agreement. Click on I agree. That's it. Enjoy! Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!